is glam. Hi guys, so I'm trying to test a camera setting here. It's so hard to film a makeup video, and honestly this is why sometimes I'm like I wouldn't want to film my makeup, just film my outfit. But in the new year I'm trying to like showcase my makeup routine because I have started doing something different. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Get ready with me to learn my new makeup routine. And honestly guys, with this new makeup routine, my brows are like the last thing I do. The Yummy Skin Water Powder Serum, patting it in. I feel like the issue is having time to like just do makeup randomly. Like I have to make sure if I'm doing my makeup, I'm going somewhere. But today is one of those days where like I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be using this brow lamination gel. It's already finished, but it's foundation time. And I had changed my foundation the last time I went to Lagos in 2024 December, and I switched to NARS. I used to use like fentybeauty, but now I'm using NARS. Because I wear glasses, I can't really see. For concealer, I'm using my fentybeauty in 410 and the NARS longwear concealer in truffle. And now I'm going to go in with this item. It's the espresso. So guys, I wasn't contouring my face for the longest time, so I have been put on to start contouring. So yeah, okay, put some here. I'm going to use like a thinner brush. Like obviously I want to put it here. I'm going to put some more concealer and use some here. So when it comes to setting the contour, I have played around with these two. This is from lipbar. This is from NARS. This is how this was. I'll use both, but this is what I typically use from lipbar. It's blended. Put the contour. To the other side. I will see what I'm doing, I swear. I'm just using this mirror here. Blush, Yummy Skin, danessamyricksbeauty. To go in with my setting spray. Just go here. It's time to apply the pressed powder, and honestly this has been doing it for me. The airbrush finish. So this is what I was just using as my mirror from Charlotte Tilbury. My forehead. The translucent one. Just put some at the top. Focus. Dust it off. Looks like this, and then it's going to come closer. Yum, yum, yum. And this is just for my under eyes. These two, maybe together, just to enhance the contour. This makeup looks too clean. It's too clean, too clean. I'm gonna adjust this one. It almost came off. And typically I would use my MAC gold deposit, but they have something similar, so I'm going to use that one here. This beauty, like I'm using my bronzer for the lid just because I don't want to do anything too crazy. This Purcosmetics chestnuts. This one is the lip oil. Then I just want to be extra, add some butter gloss, some shimmer. At the next event, use this gloss thingy by NYX to make it shiny. Shiny girls. Ooh. Ooh, child, this is from Merit. Fill it up. Fill it up. Now, so I look yummy skin. And seeing the girlies put like white stuff in here. I don't know if I should do that today. But this is like my everyday look as of right now. So this will be like my updated routine for 2026. Hope I'm not all up in your face.